Hello everyone. In this video we are going to tell you about how to fix Samsung Beverage Center pitcher that is not filling. Step 1. Check the pitcher placement. Open the beverage center door or the left door of the fridge. Ensure the water pitcher is correctly mounted in the holder. Push the pitcher straight into the holder until it fits securely. Close the door and wait for the pitcher to start filling with chilled water. Step 2. Verify autofill settings. Check the autofill feature. Unlock the control panel by holding the door alarm or control lock until a chime sounds. Activate the auto water fill setting by touching and holding the appropriate button on the control panel until it illuminates. Step 3. Inspect for damage. Examine the pitcher and its components. Look for any cracks or damage that may affect performance. Ensure there are no blockages or moisture in the drainage area. Step 4. Clear moisture sensors. Check for moisture around the moisture sensor. Remove any excess water from the catch tray and ensure the sensor is dry. If necessary, unplug the moisture sensor temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reset the system. Open the beverage center door and find the control panel. Turn off the autofill function on the control panel. Allow a brief pause about 10 to 15 seconds for the system to reset. Then turn it back on. Reinsert the pitcher and check if it begins to fill with water. Step 6. Check water supply. Ensure the water line is connected and functioning. Test the water supply by dispensing water from the refrigerator door. If no water is dispensed, address the water supply issue before proceeding. Step 7. Contact Samsung support. If the problem persists after following the above steps, consider reaching out to Samsung support for further assistance or service options. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.